Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Tapon app and we click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you go to Play Store. You search about Tapon app. If you find update, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.